What up, YouTube? Today I'm going to be talking about Mittens, my kitten. Here she is. Okay, so one Thursday I wanted a kitten, and so I called Petco PetSmart, and I'm pretty sure you guys have heard of Petco and PetSmart. So I called Petco. They didn't have any tuxedos because I really wanted a tuxedo, and so then I called Pet. Then one day we went to PetSmart. Me and my mom and my sister went to PetSmart, and I saw a tuxedo. I was like, oh, there she is. There's my tuxedo. I was like, but then she was on hold. Like, ugh. So then I went to. So then my mom called me my Saturday. They didn't have any kittens. So then one Thursday she called Pets and Pals. I don't know if you guys any heard of them, but they have really young puppies. I don't know how old, but and 8-week-old kittens if you guys want any. So and bunnies and a Flemish giant mother who has baby bunnies, and they have gerbils, hamsters, hamster stuff, baby guinea pigs, mice, breeder mice, rats, lovebirds, doves, even pigeons. That's weird. They have dog and cat stuff. So if you guys, take a visit to Pets and Pals if you have one near you. So then I saw the kitten. It's like, oh, I was about to choose a tabby because I was like, okay, because the guy mistake Mittens for a male, and I was like, oh, okay. I didn't want the black one because I don't really like black cats, and so I went to, and I was like, okay. Then the guy looked at Mittens' rump, and it showed that he said she was a girl, and she is a girl, and her brother was a boy, and so I was about to choose the tabby, the female tabby, and so I was like, okay, I want her, but then I said, can I hold the female black cat, and he was like, sure. So then I held her, and I was like, okay, I want this one will be my cat, and I was like, okay. So then I put her back, and my mom filled out the adoption papers. We got all the stuff that she needs, So now she's about 10 weeks old, which is 2.5 months old, and so yeah. So I'll show you the white. I'll show you the white markings on her chest, her neck, and her rump. And she has a mismatched paw. See, I don't know if you can see. See. I know. Look, see on her neck and her rump. Oh, see her paw? Okay, I'll put you down. And last night, I got this toy for her, and she loves it. Seriously, she loves it. So love it. There you go. See her? Okay, there you go. You can put it down now. And I got her some crinkle balls. I'll be right back. These are her crinkle balls. One big one and one small one. So those are her crinkle balls, just in case you guys didn't know what a crinkle ball was. Hey, get back here. You're still part of the video. I don't care. No, I know you don't like that. Come here. Now stay. Come here, mousey mouse. Talking to the computer. Oops. Talking to the computer mouse, not any other mouse. Not a live mouse, just a computer mouse. Okay, so that's basically it. So if you like Mittens, like. If you don't like her, dislike. But I think she's so cute. So like, comment, rate, request about any videos about Mittens, because I am glad to do them. So please go comment and say Mittens is cute in your comments, and rate and like and subscribe, please, and thank you. And Mittens says goodbye too. Bye-bye. Bye. See, she says bye too. Goodbye, you. See ya, you.